Espinosa. I'm 21 years old. I have muscular dystrophy and asthma. I've been seeing Dr. Shaziri for more than 10 years, I say, since I was little. He used to see me at Jackson Memorial Hospital at Bachelor's. Then he moved here, so I came here. And Dr. Shaziri, I can say, he's an amazing doctor. He doesn't only see for the money, and he knows so much how to, in his work, like his medicines. He already knows when I'm feeling good, when I'm not feeling good. Just by looking at me, he knows what I need. The basics. He would help me in anything. I can say he's an amazing doctor. There's no words to say about it. So I was in the hospital and then Dr. Shaziri came. He explained to me everything about the health and the medications he would send me. He does my vent settings. It's so much with the machines and all.
Hi, my name is Juan Carlos, and I'm here with Catherine Espinoza. I'm here because I'm actually her boyfriend. We met about 9 months ago. I was going up to Philadelphia. I'm a professional athlete, and I met her on a system called STS Services, or Special Transportation, here in Miami-Dade, Florida. Regardless of the fact that Catherine Espinoza has her physical limitations as well as her asthma, and she is ventilator dependent, she's an amazing woman and has been very triumphant in everything that she has done. She has motivated me to do much, much more every day.
Catherine Espinoza is another patient of mine with a severe scoliosis, and severe scoliosis is caused by muscular dystrophy, and that made her wheelchair bound. And because of the severity of the restriction of the lung capacities, she had to have these tracheostomy, and this is actually what it caused a lot of problem for her, with frequent infections and hospital admissions. So therefore I started, when I started taking care of her, I started on some prophylactic antibiotic, and then I conditioned her lung capacities by using the IPV as well as the other modalities of the treatments, like putting her on BiPAP, that is actually positive airway pressure at night, and manage the ventilators. So she's not going to hospital very often again. So the last time she was in hospital, I guess it was 6 to 7 months ago. So we are treating actually her even before, so we are proactive in treatment. And again, mom is very dedicated. She's very dedicated. She's now adult, so she's taking care of herself, and she's very proactive. And before anything happened, before the first sign of infection or any problem, I started her on treatment, and we pump up the treatments, and she's free of infections now for about I should say about 7 to 8 months now. And this is another success story of treating her before getting to the hospital.
I've been very blessed and very impressed on the due diligence of how Dr. Shaziri has been able to create such a dynamic and welcoming environment for not only Catherine but so many other of his patients. He's able to diagnose just by looking at each patient what's going on, if they're feeling okay, if they're not, with the knowledge in the background that he has. He's able to have Catherine Espinoza, for example, be better, feel better in less than 2-3 days if she has a common cold. For everybody that's out there, if I have a common cold, we get sick, no big deal. We might be sick for 2-3 days. If Catherine Espinoza gets sick, it's not life, it's not life threatening, but it's definitely very, very, very hard. It takes her way longer to recover than it would take you or it would take me. So I just want to say to everybody out there that without Dr. Chaserian, without his staff and the specialists out there that do what they do best, people like Catherine and people that have other sort of asthma or tracheotomy conditions would not be where they are now. Thank you.
Okay, I am thankful to have Dr. Chaseri. He has helped me so much. He made me be positive. He always give me the strength to keep up with my disability. And it's amazing how everything he does for us. Because you can find rarely doctors like him. He's a blessed person. God bless him for him, because everything he does is very amazing. I can say that.